Sleep Warrior! Did you know that your sleep is now officially recognized as one of the top 8 pillars of heart health? The American Heart Association, or AHA, recently updated their Life's Essential 7 to new Life's Essential 8, and they added healthy sleep duration to the list. So if you're using your CPAP, this is big news. You're not just sleeping better, you're supporting your heart. So for years, we've known that sleep apnea increases the risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, and even sudden cardiac events. The problem is that most people think 8 hours in bed equals good sleep. But if those 8 hours are filled with breathing pauses, low oxygen, and constant microarousals, that's not restorative sleep. It's stress on your body. So the AHA now recognizes that how long and how well you sleep matters just as much as things like nutrition, exercise, and blood sugar. In other words, your heart needs healthy sleep. So what does the AHA mean by healthy sleep? They recommend 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, ideally at the same time every night. But here's the key part for our Sleep Warrior community. Sleep only counts as healthy if your body is getting enough oxygen, is staying in deeper stages of sleep, and not being constantly interrupted. That's where treating sleep apnea comes in. With CPAP, or an effective dental device, you're restoring healthy oxygen levels, reducing the strain on your heart, and giving your body time to repair and recharge. So I want you to think of your CPAP not just as a sleeping tool, but as heart medicine. Every night you use it, you're not just improving how you feel the next day, you're also protecting your blood vessels, your blood pressure, and your long-term heart function. Your sleep isn't just better, it's essential, according to the same organization that sets the standards for heart health around the world. So if you're showing up and using your CPAP, give yourself credit. You're doing something powerful. And if your CPAP mask needs adjusting or your sleep still just feels off, don't give up. That's what I'm here for. You're on the path to better health one night at a time. Because healthy sleep is no longer optional, it's essential. Thanks so much for being here. I will see you next week.